there. Here we are with our patient Lionel. Lionel is back today after a 3-year hiatus from doing his first procedure with us. We did a MaxHarvest procedure. How are your results?
Amazing. I mean, you can see it in the picture. That's why I'm back here. So it's, you know, a good thing is one more of. So
awesome, man. He had a MaxHarvest, but we split the case. We went through and completely did the hairline, and we also did his crown. What did your friends and family say to you?
Well, some friends and family ended up coming.
So
they were pretty impressed. Yeah.
That's awesome. So Lionel sent us some patients throughout the years, and we thank you very much for those referrals. That's amazing. And so they were happy with it and said, "Hey, I want to get that done too, huh?"
Yeah, they were pretty impressed.
Okay.
Yeah, they were, you know, suspicious before I came and got it done, and then afterwards they were all
awesome.
Oh yeah.
How do you feel it's changed your life? Do you, as corny as that might sound.
Yeah, and I hate to admit it, but the conference, I mean, I hate to rely on that for conference, but it's true. It's just it's going out. I mean, younger, looking younger. It's just when I do my hair, it can style it so many more ways.
Yeah.
So
it's you know what, you hit the #1 answer. That's what everybody says. It gives them their confidence back. Yeah. They feel better about themselves. They feel more, you know, able to do stuff that they weren't comfortable doing before, just even in simple social situations. Awesome. And so what are you doing today? What brings you back?
So I like to fill in a little more in the front. I mean, we brought the hairline down so much at the time. I'm happy where it is. Otherwise I look like a 15-year-old. But and just fill in a little more.
So basically same areas, double it up.
The same, yeah.
Awesome. All right, let's check it all out. I'm just going to kind of show the camera. I'm going to spin you here slowly. So what we did is we completely did his hairline, reframed the face the entire way around. None of this was here. So we put those nice soft grafts all the way through. Did the same thing on this other side. I'll be very careful here. And brought this hairline down completely around. As you can see, we put all these nice, beautiful, soft grafts to make it look nice and natural. One of the things that I correct all the time is the other doctors will put these soft grafts in funny angles so it doesn't blend in, but you can see we created pretty much a nice no recession hairline, squared them off really nicely, went through, put all these in here because we brought that whole hairline down, looks super natural. We also went through and built a beautiful spiral in his crown. I'm going to put your head back a little bit. Yep. So in the back he was really thin throughout this crown area. We went all the way through, built the spiral, fanned it in, and it just came out absolutely beautiful. No detectability of any of the existing grafts. Got them some beautiful density. So today we'll go through and finish this up where we strengthen with those nice multiples to blend in. Also we'll fill in that hairline as well. Same as what we're going to do there, strengthen it up. As far as the suture line goes, when we do that MaxHarvest, we just kind of take it all the way around. He had an amazing healing process. This is his suture line. If you can see this, I don't know if the camera can even see that. See that little tiny line hidden in there?
Yeah, it's really hard to see.
I mean, it's just a trace little line. And I mean, he even cuts his hair super short and you can barely even see. Can you tuck down just a little bit? That's it right here. If I'm gonna put my comb over it, but that's the line. Right there. Look at that. That's as good as it gets, man. You're talking zero detectability with that little line all the way through. Amazing. You heal great. You did great. That's as good as it gets. Your results for one procedure, no exaggeration, are as good as they get. I mean, just beautiful hairline, beautiful spiral, perfect suture line. I mean, unbelievable. So good. We're going to do it again. We'll get you the same great result and fill it in. Josh, anything you want to add to this?
No, but thanks for always thinking of us and sending your friends and your family to us. It's very much appreciated. One of the few guys who comes in and says, I'm going to do something and actually does it.
Oh,
and thank you.
I didn't do much. They saw me and they started asking me. So
that's awesome, man. Well, congratulations. Thanks for doing the video for us, and we're going to do another great job for you.
Thanks a lot.